Please, I hate my brother.
Bro, you're not even supposed to come in yet.
Stop being such a Karen.
I can't be a Karen. What kind of Karen likes anime?
Karen Yeager.
Send this video to your friends, and if they don't respond within 30 seconds, they have to buy you a whole box of Oreos.
Una pregunta.
¿Qué pasa, amor?
¿Tú estás conmigo por el amor o por el dinero?
Amor, esas bobadas, pues por el amor.
Gracias a Dios, porque, amor, estoy en la quiebra.
Alexander, no me grite.
Yo no le
No
estoy
me
gritando.
maltrate, Alexander, deme el divorcio.
One thing I hate is when people are like, do you like them? Ooh, you're blushing, you do. Like, no, you cold corn dog, I'm blushing because you're embarrassing me and making me feel uncomfortable. Gosh.
Every time the beat drop.
When they came I just love to dance. Every time the beat drop. Right, shake it.
Stop scrolling, this is a test. The test of friendship. Send this video to one of your friends, and if they respond with the secret word, which is pancakes, then they actually watch the videos you send them. And if they don't, shame on them.
Out of here. Easy out of here.
Why did I say Ort? Let me explain. The person who sent you this video wanted me to tell you you're not tall. As in, shh.
Add a little bit of spice.